Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to install Windows 95 on Oracle VM Virtualbox. Now, we are using an older version, 6.0.14 to be exact. I'll leave it downloaded in the description. We're only using this because we got to, especially for Windows 95. So, let's go into Oracle VM VirtualBox and see we got our virtual machines here. What you want to do is press new. Make sure you change guided mode into expert mode. Name it whatever you want. I will be naming it Windows 95 Tutorial. Change the memory size if you want to. You don't really need to. Create VDI if you can use any one of these, but I'll use VDI for now. Create. And now you have Windows 95 Tutorial up. So go into settings, system acceleration, turn off enable nested paging, NVT AMD, because otherwise you'll get an error in the middle of setting up and you will not be able to set it up further. Go into storage, click on empty, the empty floppy disk under controller floppy. Click on the floppy disk here. Choose virtual floppy disk and find wherever your thing is. So mine is in desktop, MS-DOS, and these. Disk 1 setup. Press OK and then start it up. First we'll be setting up MS-DOS. There's another tutorial going into more depth on how this works, but just go through this, let the format, settings are correct. Change the floppy disks. Change again. Remove floppy disk. And now you have MS-DOS set up. Now you want to insert CMD-ROM. For Windows 95, you insert, go to floppy disk, right click, and set up CD-ROM. Get the CD-ROM from the MS-DOS folder. A drive, setup.bat. Now it has installed the drivers. Press host R, Control R for a fresh install. This will reset the machine. And boom. Now we can remove the floppy disk and insert our Windows 95 ISO, which will be in the description. Now reset your computer once more. D drive and setup. Enter. Press enter again. Let it do its thing. And then boom, you got this. So Welcome to Windows 95 setup. Congratulations on your choice of Windows 95, the newest, not, and easiest way you want to do what you want with your PC. Setup will take 30 to 60 minutes depending on the speed of your computer. To begin, click continue. Click continue and let this load. Alright, now it's loaded. Press yes or else it'll close. Read through this if you want. Page down, page up, and the scroll bar. But you don't have to read through. Yes. Press next. Make sure the directory is C Windows. Preparing directory. Typical, you can choose whatever you want. Typical is just what we're going to use. Press next. Here, I'll put the system to make your own certificate of authenticity, whatever, or the key, the product key. So I'll put this in real quick and I'll get back to you. Okay, we're back. Once you have that plugged in, put your name, Havoc, and put in your company if you want to. YouTube. Next, network adapter, sound MDI. Press next. Let this load. It will take several minutes, so we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And here we go. Okay. Make sure install the most common components recommended is selected. Hit next. Okay, sorry for that. No, I do not want to start up disk. Click that and press next. Press next again. Let it copy files. This might take a while. Almost there and done. Okay, now press finish and it will restart your computer. Make sure there isn't a floppy disk in. We have already removed it, so we'll press OK. And it will restart. Starting Windows 95. Now this is where the error would pop up if you did not turn off computer acceleration. See? There would have shown it if we had not turned off acceleration. So press OK on this. Put in the computer name, Win95 tutorial, work group, Havoc technology, Havoc tech, and close. Now this will copy files and we'll be back straight to you once this is done. This should be done. Now it's setting up control panel, some other stuff. Here in a few seconds we'll have to set up our time zone, so let it do it and let it do its thing. Okay, so just select your time zone. Eastern Standard Time. Date and time if this is wrong. I'm gonna change it all the way back to 1995 because this is when it was built. So apply. No. Okay. Just press cancel and press OK. it will restart the computer and let it load. Set up your computer password and username, Havoc. Okay, confirm the password if you put any. Okay, let it load. Ah, yes, nostalgia, of course. Except I wasn't born until early 2000s, so way early 2000s. So not really nostalgia for me. XP would be though. Close, and now you have it set up. You can view your computer files, delete windows. I've actually done that before. Yeah. Well, time to finish off this episode with a bang. Programs, MS-DOS prompt. Wow, that font is small. Del Y. And now Windows is literally deleted. Okay. Well, I hope this tutorial has helped you. Virtual machiners are out there. Is that what they call them? And yeah. I don't know what to say. Just goodbye. Also, this is what happens when you delete Windows in 95. Yeah. I've tried to delete the C drive, but it's literally gone. I can't delete the C drive. But anyways, yeah. So just have fun doing whatever you want. Ow! I just hit myself with a sword. Okay, and bye, guys.